do with an Android castle. The operating system keep bringing this and try to solve it. Even when you turn off the system and put it back on, it still has the same issues. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the castle. So first of all, I need to take out the castle. Simply pry this out and pry all this out and take it out. So I have disassembled the castle. Disconnected the power supply. Let it put for like 2 minutes. System is now back on, so okay. One of the complaints that the customer complained was that it was not getting good radio reception. So I'll also try and fix that. As you can see, the antenna cable is quite short. So the likelihood that this nether gets in or is not making good contact. So I'm trying to find a way to extend this antenna cable. So I've found a way to slacken this and have the cable extended a little bit. So I'll have it plugged back in now. I'll have it plugged back in. In a little. Yeah, so me just power it on first before we fix it. So let's try and go to the radio. Yeah, this is the radio station.
They don't dash me 20,000 naira UFO. Cars activity.
So the signal has been restored. So it has been fixed. The OS issue has been fixed, and the issue of the poor radio reception has equally been fixed. This is Azan Araskato. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what I will do, I will just tidy up this and just simply put this back.